IS curve is a useful concept because output tends to move towards points on the curve that satisfy goods market equilibrium. But suppose if the economy is located in the area to the right side of the IS curve, this is the IS curve. We have 2 points, point A and point B. This point B lies to the right hand side of the IS curve, and this point A lies to the left hand side of the IS curve. It means that if the economy is located in the area to the right of the IS curve, it means that it has an excess supply of goods. Suppose if the economy is at point B, it means that this particular economy has an excess supply of goods. So at point B, aggregate output level Y1 is greater than the equilibrium level of Y3. At point B, we have Y1 level of output and the interest rate is I3. But what is the equilibrium level of output? It means that at point B, the output level is higher than the equilibrium level of output. Y3 is actually the equilibrium level of output. And now the economy is at point B. It means that the economy is producing 8.8 the aggregate output level Y1. It means that the output level is greater than the aggregate level of output, or we can say that Y1 is greater than Y3. It means that we have excess supply of goods. This blue shaded area represents that we have an excess supply of goods when the economy is at point B. This excess supply of goods results in unplanned inventory accumulation, which causes output to fall towards the IS curve. So this decline stops only when output is again at its equilibrium level on the IS curve. But now suppose if we say that the economy is at point A, left side area of the IS curve. So at point A, the economy is producing Y3, but the equilibrium output level is Y1. This is the equilibrium level of output and the economy is producing at Y3. It means that the economy is producing at a lower output level than the equilibrium output level. It means that we have excess demand for goods in this area because at point A, Y3 is below Y1 on the IS curve. So the excess demand for goods result in an unplanned decrease in inventory, which causes output to rise towards the IS curve. So stopping only when aggregate demand is again at its aggregate level on the IS curve. Equilibrium in the goods market does not produce a unique equilibrium level of aggregate output, as we know that aggregate output will help for a given level of the interest rate. We cannot determine aggregate output because we don't know what the interest rate is. This is the main issue. It means that our analysis is incomplete. We need to complete our analysis of the aggregate output determination. How we can complete? To complete our analysis of aggregate demand output determination, we need to introduce another market that produces an additional relationship that links aggregate output and interest rates. It means that we need another relationship, and that which represents the relationship between the interest rate and output. And that relationship is known as the LM curve. It means that now we need to introduce the LM curve into our discussion to make complete the picture. So the market for money fulfills this function.